Industry today has got huge level of land. We have to see whether it's really doing well or no. Just because land got 10, 15, 20,000 square meters, is willing to pay the price, is going to be a huge hike. So that we all discussed. So finally, we have kept it in abeyance at the moment and having a broader examination of that. And surely, taking us back into confidence, we will work a solution to that and make sure that all you guys, all you have confidence, and we work on that. Coming to the electricity, there's a very major problem as far as fluctuations are concerned. Breakdowns. Of course, industrially, when an industry is working, a power plant is a big loss to the entrepreneur. And I know it, and I've got this, we've discussed it with the Honorable CM. So there's a need where we get separate land so that all the businesses function continuously. But there's a major problem now, and I'm sure my Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Bhai Parrikar, will take a note of that and will follow up that issue. Because it's one, at the moment, a very, very serious issue. Coming to the street lights, talking about the street lights, or just talking to Ron. In fact, there was a letter from the association put to the CE, electrical engineer, chief electrical engineer, and of course we discussed with Honorable CM then. And they came back to us, we made letters to them as to what you're doing with the street lights. As your department won't take it up, you take it up, but make sure the street lights are put in all the estates.
It's always a happy moment attending all these GSI functions. Being a part of the industry, being a part of the GSI family, sitting on that side, coming for annual functions, listening to a lot of thoughts from different industrialists, keynote speakers have been there every year. As a Labour Minister, I come here today as a chief guest, and it's my privilege to be here. I thank Rajkumar Babu and his whole team for thinking it fit to invite me as a chief guest for today's function. And these two thoughts of being in the industry, where always we talked about the industry issues, and now coming as the Labour Minister, talking about the economic growth of the state, talking about the issues which the industry faces, and at the same time, the challenges that we take when it comes to employment, employees. I think these are the key focus areas that we need to look at when I look at it as a portfolio. There have been challenges, and today, as I say, as everybody has mentioned, we do miss Manohar Bhai for this function, and every year we could hear his two-liners or three-liners. एक दो तीन शब्द मान ले, दो तीन dialogue मान ले, he will say, Manohar Bhai upon लागलो. But nevertheless, he coming back, I think it's very justful that we give him time to recuperate, time to allow him to get back. Although he's back to work, I think it's time for him to regroup himself, take a little time, and continue the journey what this government has come for, to deliver stability, to deliver development on all fronts. The mandate is to work together and create a vibrant ecosystem for the employment. आज तुमचे कॉर्पोरेशन असतले अशी आशा बाळगिता. तशेंच GSI चे इश्यूज कितें आसले आनी तुमचे सजेशन्स कितें आसले ताचे खातीर म्हजी दारां सदांच तुमकां ओपन आसतली अशी आश्वासन दिता. म्हजो पूर्ण सपोर्ट तुमकां टू मेक गोवा अ वायब्रंट MSME, अ वायब्रंट इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर करपाक, which is already there, a more vibrant system करपाक सदांच आसतलो.